impacted our product roadmap. So I'll give a short story. I get lots of spam emails every day from lots of businesses trying to sell me things. And one of the areas that I was getting a lot of emails was business intelligence reporting companies. And they were quite insistent, and all of them had a similar story. Use our business intelligence reporting. It'll make analyzing and gaining insights into your business really, really easy. And so, I said, well, gee, everybody would like business intelligence. Everybody'd like easy insights into their business, right? So we went down the path of evaluating one of these in depth, and it was very, very helpful. And as what it gave to me was a strategy that I didn't have before. So we have a transaction system that has lots and lots and lots of data, but it's a transaction system and it's very difficult to report off. And I don't care how good your business intelligence reporting is, it's just not going to be easy to get data out of our transaction system. So as what we did on our roadmap is we created a data warehouse. And I put an engineer on it who had experience in data warehouses, which are different than a transaction database. And we collect and transform the data from our transaction system into the data warehouse constantly. Some aspects of the system are updated every 10 minutes into the data warehouse. Some things are updated daily. We spent weeks getting some data out of Salesforce so that we could also report on that. And so now we have a team in the company that's responsible for being able to produce answers to what-if questions. And we have gone to managing our business by data to a far greater extent than we ever had before. Lots of people manage their business based upon their latest customer conversation. And this, building the technology in our product roadmap of having an actual data warehouse has enabled it. And then we were able to choose, there's a really good selection of very powerful business intelligence reporting systems out there. And so then we're able to leverage those. One other aspect where we have really embraced data is in our hiring. We always use assessments now. To your point, you can't bring people into the office. You can't, look them in the eye and talk to them and have that feeling. It's got to be more analytical. And so I think the employment assessments has been a big thing. And it's actually a really good thing. With data, you do make better decisions than you do based upon the judgment. I don't know that I consider myself good at hiring people, but on my best day, I'm 50-50. And using employee assessments, very, very powerful.
Great. Thanks, Richard, for sharing that. And I think, how you built a data warehouse and how you're internally using it. Not so much your customers are seeing it, but I'm sure it's indirectly benefiting your customers as well. As you're making these database decisions.
Yeah, I will add to that. That it also gets back to we do use it to service our customers, and different customers have different needs. Our customers are primarily small business, and small businesses not necessarily run so much by data. They're more worried about running their business day to day. And so what we try and do with our system is help them run our business. And we're not necessarily trying to provide them with data to make decisions in their business, but using that data to help us serve their business more effectively. That's our perspective.